If you've ever wanted to save your Grammarly results as a report, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a Grammarly report in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to keep a record of your writing feedback, share your document stats with someone else, or just save a PDF copy for later. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Grammarly Editor in your browser. Once you're inside Grammarly, open the document you want to check. This can be a new document or one you've already been working on. Make sure the document is fully loaded so Grammarly can display the score and suggestions properly. Now look near the top of the page for your overall score. This is the main summary Grammarly gives you for the document, and it usually appears in the upper area of the editor. Click on that overall score to open the report options. When the pop-up appears, you'll see different details about your writing, and one of those options will be Download PDF Report. Go ahead and click Download PDF Report. Grammarly will then generate a PDF version of your document statistics report. After that, your browser or file window will ask you where you want to save the file. Choose the folder or location that makes the most sense for you, like Downloads, Desktop, or a project folder on your computer. Then click Save. Once that's done, the report will download as a PDF file, and you can open it anytime to review your Grammarly document statistics. This is a really handy way to keep track of your writing progress or store a copy for reference later. So just to recap, open Grammarly Editor, open your document, click Overall Score, select Download PDF Report, and choose where to save the file. It's quick, simple, and only takes a moment once you know where to look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.